Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Gmail account without phone number. Right, so as you can see here, it's really easy. You can use a phone or you can use a laptop or PC. You can use any device to create a Google account. So here on the top right, you can see there's an option of sign in, stay sign out. If you don't get this option, you will always see this option here on the top right, sign in. Even if you don't get this option, you will always get this option on Gmail if you just go to Google. So let's just go and click on Gmail here. And by the way, it doesn't matter where you can just create a Google account. You just need a one Google account, and by using one Google account, you can use all these different products or applications by Google. Right, so I will just go and click on Gmail here, click on create account. I will use for my personal use. Now here it will ask my first name, so I will just write here Anil, and the last name it's optional, so I'm not going to write there. This is month and asking my date of birth. I'm using here just a random date of birth. This is not a real one, so I will just go and click on next. Right now here it will just give me to choose my Gmail address, so you can just choose any one of them, or you can just create your own Gmail address. By the way, if you just create a Gmail address here, you have to be sure what's you're typing or what's you're creating, because it should be unique, and you can just create it once in your lifetime, right? So in the future, if you want to change your Gmail address name, you can never do that, right? So for example, this is Gmail here. I will just write here Anil, and I will just write here number, and here I will just write here Gmail and whatever to make it unique, right? And just go and click on next. So if that is a unique, then of course you will move to the next part. If that is not unique, then you have to find a unique one. Now here I have to write my password, right? So once I do my password here, just go and click on next. Now it will ask my phone number. So as you can see here, that without a phone number, it's not possible to create a Google account. By the way, so you have to use a phone number, but I can show you different ways to get your phone number. You can always go and use a temporary, just right here, temporary phone number, right? And you will get a lot of websites here, and you can just use that number to create a Google account, right? So it's inevitable that you will need to phone number to create a Google account, but you always use randomly, or you can use just a temporary phone number to make that, right? I hope you understood this, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.